I got a Rubik's Cube for Christmas about a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago, and I went online and read tutorials and learned how to do it, and I have all the formulas completely memorized. This is for the people who think that I turned it like 8 times and I can know how to do it just because it's like 8 turns and I can bring it back to what it was. It's not. I gave this to everyone in my family to mix up. I'm not the best in the world, I'm not the fastest, and you won't hear me say I am. I'm just pretty good. I will make a tutorial on how to do it a little later, and try to make it easier to understand than the ones that I found. There is a cube missing. It does not affect on how hard it is to do or on what the outcome is. It's an old cube, as you can tell. It's like missing a bunch of squares, but and that was me doing a Rubik's Cube. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will be coming out with a tutorial fairly shortly.